Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So you told any other amazing video like this one, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And don't miss any other amazing video like this one. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about rectangle shape cake, chocolate cake decorating ideas in different styles, different color combinations and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious, eye-catching cake decorating ideas from this video that suit homemade and professional parties, baby showers, bridals, anniversaries, baby showers, bridal showers, or any other celebrations. I hope you enjoy my video. If you new my channel and don't miss any other amazing video like this one, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope you enjoy my most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. Chocolate cake designs ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Chocolate cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trading. All the designs are very unique. If you like more ideas or specific decorating tips, please visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. These designs bring the excitement of birthday persons or any other celebrations persons and make the party unforgettable. Chocolate arrangement is so good and nice. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you're new my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please make sure press the bell icon if you don't miss any other amazing video like this one. So you can choose each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers or any other celebrations. Consider chocolate theme decor the matching occasions. I hope you like this decoration with themed and color combinations. Chocolate cake design is special for chocolate lovers. Whether simple or beautiful, rectangle shaped cake decoration showcase love and celebrations. I am sure rectangle shaped cake decoration idea from this video. If you like any designs and take screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing chocolate cake recipe, and they are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas, or any other celebration ideas, please visit my channel, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. All the designs are very beautiful. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing, and most creative designs. Please visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care yourself, people around you. Allah Hafiz.